When it comes to blenders, the Vitamix brand has always stood out for its exceptional performance, durability, and versatility. This Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender, in sleek black, continues this legacy with impressive features and capabilities. In this detailed review, we'll dive deep into what makes the Vitamix 750 a must-have kitchen appliance, especially for those who value high-quality blending and convenient preset options. The Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender boasts a robust design with a professional, matte black finish that complements any kitchen decor. The blender is built to last, with a solid motor base and a low-profile 64-ounce container that's perfect for blending large batches without taking up too much counter space. This container is made from BPA-free Eastman Triton, ensuring safety and durability. The blender's control panel is user-friendly, featuring a variable speed dial, pulse function, and 5 preset program buttons for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. The inclusion of these presets makes it easier for users to achieve consistent results with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the Vitamix 750 is its powerful 2.2 GP motor. This high-performance motor can handle tough ingredients, from frozen fruits to heavy powders and leafy greens, effortlessly transforming them into smooth blends. The motor's strength is complemented by Vitamix's laser-cut stainless steel blades, designed to maintain their sharpness and durability over time. These blades are capable of delivering the same quality results from the first blend to the last. The variable speed control and pulse feature allow users to manually fine-tune the texture of any recipe, providing precise control over blending. Whether you want a velvety smooth puree or a chunky dip, the Vitamix 750 can achieve the desired consistency with ease. Convenient program settings. The Vitamix Propel Series 750 comes with 5 preset program settings, providing walk-away convenience for busy users. These presets are: 1. Smoothie, perfect for creating creamy, nutrient-packed smoothies. 2. Hot soup. The blender's blades generate enough friction to heat ingredients, allowing you to make steaming hot soups without a stove in under 10 minutes. 3. Frozen dessert. Ideal for making ice cream, fruit sorbets, and other frozen treats by simply adding frozen ingredients. 4. Dips and spreads. Easily create smooth dips and spreads like hummus and guacamole. 5. Self-cleaning. Add warm water and a drop of dish soap, and the blender cleans itself in 60 seconds with no disassembly required. These settings not only save time, but also ensure that your blends turn out perfectly every time. The Vitamix 750 is not just a blender, it's a gateway to healthier eating. By using whole ingredients, including fiber, the blender helps create nutritious smoothies and juices. You can also grind nuts into nut butter, mix batters, create custom baby food, and prepare flavorful dressings with ease. The high-speed blending ensures that you retain more nutrients in your food, making it a great tool for anyone looking to improve their diet. One of the unique capabilities of the Vitamix 750 is its ability to make hot soups directly in the blender. The friction from the blades heats the ingredients to the serving temperature, allowing you to make fresh, homemade soups in minutes. Additionally, the blender excels at creating frozen desserts, so you can enjoy ice cream and sorbets made from whole, natural ingredients without any preservatives. Cleaning the Vitamix 750 is a breeze, thanks to its self-cleaning program. After use, simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap. Run the blender at its highest speed, and it will clean itself in less than a minute. The BPA-free container and lid are also dishwasher safe, making tougher cleanups even more manageable. The durability of Vitamix blenders is well known, and the Propel Series 750 is no exception. It comes with a full 7-year warranty, offering peace of mind and ensuring that your investment is protected. Vitamix blenders are engineered and assembled in the USA, and every unit is individually tested before leaving the factory, guaranteeing high quality and reliability. What's included? When you purchase the Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender, you get the following. Motor base, 64-ounce low-profile container, tamper, first blends booklet. The included tamper is particularly useful for pushing down ingredients during blending, ensuring a smooth and consistent mix. In conclusion, the Vitamix Propel Series 750 blender is an exceptional kitchen appliance that combines powerful performance, versatile functions, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home chef, or someone looking to incorporate more whole foods into your diet, this blender has something to offer. Its preset programs and variable speed control make it easy to achieve perfect results, while its durable construction ensures it will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. With its ability to handle a wide range of tasks from making hot soups and frozen desserts to grinding nuts and creating smooth spreads, the Vitamix 750 is more than just a blender. It's a comprehensive kitchen system that can help you explore new recipes and elevate your cooking game. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance blender that offers convenience and versatility, the Vitamix Propel Series 750 is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.